At Farmboy, we live by a simple motto: deliver real good work. Every day, we push ourselves to achieve the highest standards because we know that excellence isn't just an option, it's who we are. Our success is built on collaboration. Trust and teamwork fuel our journey to reach new heights, not just individually, but as one. Because together, we go further. Change isn't something we shy away from. It's a chance to learn, adapt, and grow, both as a team and as individuals. Every step forward is an opportunity to improve. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do. We listen, we learn, and we reflect their goals and their voices in every project. Because their success is our success. We don't just accept the status quo, we challenge it. We welcome new ideas, fresh perspectives, and creative solutions. It's how we grow, and it's how we create work that stands out. We don't just aim to meet expectations, we aim to surpass them. With innovation and flawless execution, we go beyond, delivering results that leave a lasting impact. Curiosity drives us. We dive deep into our clients' industries because understanding their world makes us better partners and sharper problem solvers. We never lose sight of the bigger picture. Every project is built with the future in mind, making sure our work creates long-term value and impact. This is who we are. We are Farmboy,